Hey guys, my name is Clayton Hawkins, celebrity hairstylist and the inventor of Toaster Strudel. And today I'm going to show you how to achieve 3 sickening hairstyles featuring hair accessories from Justine Marjan's collaboration with Kitsch. I am obsessed with these accessories. When I put them on, I'm like, we in the car, we ride slow, we doing things that we don't have the rights to that song? Okay, so the first look that we're gonna do today is a good old 90s bouncy Cindy Crawford vibe. You're gonna like the way you look, I guarantee it. I gotta stop saying that, it's weird. Okay, so I've separated my hair into 4 sections, sides, back, and mohawk, and we're gonna start with the mohawk. So I'm gonna spray a heat protecting shine spray on this front piece, and I'm grabbing my 1.75 inch curling iron, and we're gonna curl up away from the face. Let it hold there for a second. And while the hair is still hot, I'm gonna grab my Velcro roller and secure with a duckbill clip. And now I'm gonna repeat the same process 2 more times on my mohawk section. And now we're gonna focus on the sides. And using our iron, we're just gonna curl up. So instead of a Velcro roller, this time we're just gonna secure with a duckbill clip. And we're just gonna keep going and do all the sides. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing in the back, section by section, rolling up and securing with a duckbill clip. And now I'm gonna let my hair down. See how just bouncy and beautiful and 90s this is? Time to let the top down. Oh my God, I am feeling the fantasy. I'm gonna grab a good shine spray. Kim Basinger, is that you?
Is that you?
And I'm just gonna grab a medium hold hairspray. And now to really put the icing on the cake and top off this look, I'm gonna grab my Justine Marjan Kitsch snap clips. Started off 90s, let's go a little bit more like 60s meets Ariana Grande vibe. So we're gonna start by brushing our mohawk section back. Now I'm just grabbing a small clear elastic and I'm gonna tie this front piece up. And you wanna make sure that your ponytail is at midnight on the dot, not 11:59, not 12:03. Now I'm just grabbing a small rat tail comb and I'm gonna tease the ponytail and the sides. So to get rid of flyaways, I like to get a medium hold hairspray, and instead of spraying it directly onto the hair, I like to spray it onto my palms and clean it up like that. Oof. And now I'm just going in with my same curling iron as before and defining a few pieces around the hairline and in the ponytail. And now the piece de la résistance comes through French. We're gonna add this queen hairpin from Justine and Kitsch. Okay, time for the final look. This is gonna be a sleek, snatched, shiny, low bun. Okay, so I'm grabbing my moisturizing shine cream and I'm gonna apply it pretty liberally throughout my hair. Now I'm grabbing a small detailing brush and I'm just gonna go through section by section, brushing my hair out, getting rid of all the flyaways. Now I'm gonna grab a small elastic and secure my hair in a low, tight ponytail in the back. Okay, so I've added these handy dandy flat clips just to keep my hair secure while we work on the back. Next, I'm gonna twist my hair into a rope. I mean, could I be any chicer? Spoiler alert, yes I can. I'm gonna get rid of these flat clips, spray my hair with a good amount of shine spray. And you know what? They say dress for the job you want, not the job you have. So I'm gonna add this boss hairpin because I wanna be the boss. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had fun. I know I did. If you wanna see more videos like this, check out my page at Clayton Hawkins. See ya! By the way, who do you think the boss was? Judith Light or Tony Danza? No, it was Judith Light. You guys, come on.